This week we're just going to do a bit of a shout out to Pete at D.I.Y Auto School bench. He made a D.I.Y welding bench last week, and we made a D.I.Y dog box. Anyone can do it at home. So check out Pete over at D.I.Y Auto School. Cool channel. Right. This is our mission, Thirsty Thursday. We're going to cut this off along here, deck height, cut all this off, right round. We're going to unbolt it from the chassis, then we're going to drive it down the back and slide it off. And this is probably a good reason why you should wear gloves.
Always want to know, eh?
Yeah. Bit of 90 mile an hour tape and we're good to go. Still leaking, but we got it off. What a fucking clown! I've hooked it onto the chassis. We'll try again. The old horse truck. So it's a bit of a sleep out. Deck out the back. And we'll just put a window in here and we're going to clean her up a bit. Level it up. So people can just crash tonight if they want to. This is the dog box. If you've had one too many beers, can't drive home, you get a crash in here. Sort of like jail. Still need to give it a paint up and that and finish wall lining it, but keeps the rain off. Rough and ready. You get a nice view out the window. Nice sunny deck when the sun's shining.